So, you probably know by now that Senator Cynthia Lummis is one of the most outspoken and influential supporters of Bitcoin in the US Congress. She's been a Bitcoin holder since 2013, and she's not afraid to speak her mind about the benefits of crypto and the need for innovation. She's also the co-chair of the bipartisan Blockchain Caucus, which is a group of lawmakers who are dedicated to promoting and educating about blockchain technology. But did you know that she's also working on a groundbreaking initiative to regulate stablecoins? Yes, you heard that right. Stablecoins, those digital tokens that are supposed to be pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar or gold, or even other cryptocurrencies. Well, apparently they're not so stable after all. And that's why Senator Lummis, along with Senator Kirsten Gillibrand, is in the process of drafting legislation that would provide a clear and robust framework for stablecoins. This bill is poised to bring regulatory clarity and investor protection to the forefront of the cryptocurrency world. Now, you might be wondering, why do we need regulation for stablecoins? Aren't they supposed to be safe and secure? Well, not exactly. Stablecoins are not all created equal. Some of them are backed by real assets, like fiat currency or gold, and they have regular audits and transparency. These are called fiat-backed or commodity-backed stablecoins, and they're generally considered to be more trustworthy and compliant. Examples of these are USDC, PAX, and TUSD. But some of them are not backed by anything, or they're backed by other cryptos, which are themselves volatile and risky. These are called algorithmic or crypto-backed stablecoins, and they're generally considered to be more shady and sketchy. Examples of these are Tether, DAI, and Basis. These stablecoins rely on complex algorithms or collateralization mechanisms to maintain their peg, and they often lack audits or transparency. They're also vulnerable to hacks, manipulation, or market crashes, which could cause them to lose their peg or even collapse. With great popularity comes great scrutiny, and that's why regulators and lawmakers are paying more attention to stablecoins, and they're not happy with what they see. They're concerned about the potential risks and threats that stablecoins pose to the financial stability, consumer protection, and national security of the US and the world. They're also concerned about the lack of oversight and accountability that stablecoins have, and the possibility of fraud, money laundering, tax evasion, and other illegal activities. And that's why Senator Lummis, who is a fervent advocate for Bitcoin and crypto innovation, is also a vocal critic of some of the major stablecoins, especially Tether. Tether, as you may know, is the largest and most controversial stablecoin in the market, with a market cap of over $60 billion. It claims to be backed by US dollars, but it has never provided a full audit or proof of its reserves. It has also been accused of manipulating the price of Bitcoin, inflating its supply, and being involved in shady dealings with Bitfinex, a crypto exchange that shares the same owners and executives as Tether. In fact, Senator Lummis made a bold move in October 2023 when she suggested that criminal charges should be brought against Tether for allegedly lying to investors and regulators about its reserves and operations. She said that Tether is a ticking time bomb that could cause a systemic risk to the crypto industry and the global economy. She also said that Tether is undermining the credibility and legitimacy of the crypto space, and that it should be held accountable for its actions. That's why Senator Lummis, along with Senator Gillibrand, is working on a bill that would provide a clear and robust framework for stablecoins that would ensure that they are backed by real assets, audited regularly, transparent, compliant, and secure. This bill would also create a new regulatory agency called the Digital Asset Market Structure and Investor Protection Agency that would oversee and regulate the stablecoin market and protect the interests of investors and consumers. This bill is expected to be introduced in the Senate soon, and it could be a game changer for the crypto regulation landscape. But Senator Lummis' crypto crusade doesn't stop at stablecoins. She's also a vocal opponent of Central Bank Digital Currencies, or CBDCs, which are digital versions of fiat currencies issued by central banks. These are supposed to be more efficient and convenient than physical cash, and they're supposed to enhance the financial inclusion and innovation of the countries that issue them. But Senator Lummis doesn't buy it. She thinks that CBDCs are a threat to the sovereignty and privacy of the people, that they're a way for the governments and central banks to exert more control and surveillance over the financial system. She thinks that CBDCs are a step backwards, not forwards, and that they are a leap towards censorship, not evolution. That's why Senator Lummis is a staunch defender of Bitcoin and a champion of crypto innovation. She believes that Bitcoin is the future of money and that crypto is the future of finance. She believes that crypto can bring more freedom, prosperity, and opportunity to the people, and that it can challenge the status quo and the monopoly of the central banks and the governments. She believes that crypto can create a more fair, transparent, and democratic financial system that serves the interests of the people, not the elites. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more.